Alright, Jammin JD Sports Cards, bringing you a quick box break recap. This is our 2013-14 Gold Standard and Timeless Treasures, done May 16, 2014. There's everybody and your teams. Again, this is just a recap. If you want to watch the full video, you can find that on our Ustream channel. First card, Pistons, Josh Smith, 060 of 299, going to Curry. Dwight Howard for the Rockets. It's one of those puzzle pieces. It's 3 pieces together. Pretty cool. For the Rockets, let's see who had them. Daniel B. First hit, Hawks, James Johnson. And that's 40 of 99. Going to Andy L. Tim Duncan, Treasured Threads. Pretty cool card. San Antonio Spurs, Benjamin A. And then we had a redemption. Timeless Treasure Trophies, those are numbered to 25. It is a jersey auto. Card number 1, Kyrie Irving. Nice hit. Cavaliers, going to Turk. Very, very nice. Gold Standard, our metal card, Russell Westbrook, going to OKC, Jordan C. Let's see, base cards. Maurice Cheeks, 170 of 199 for the Sixers, Jason C. 049 of 199 for the Pelicans, Richard P. Jason Terry, 081 of 199 for the Nets, Andy L. It's a nice card. Gold Prospects, Otto Porter. Wizards, Kyle D. Hits, Pau Gasol, white gold. 085 of 199 for the Lakers, Duo S. Alan Crabb, and that is Trailblazers. Who had the Blazers? Chris W. Nice on-card auto. Next, Chris Middleton, 42 of 149, gold scripts, Milwaukee Bucks. And that goes to Wes S. Really nice Gail Goodrich for the Lakers, 46 of 49, marks of gold, Duo S. And a redemption. Motherlode auto is 44, George Hill. Pacers, Mark L. Not bad. Alright, that's it for Gold Standard and Timeless Treasures. Follow us on Twitter at JamminJDCards. We're breaking every Friday. If you want to grab a spot, www.jamminjdcards.com.